Hello, my name is Devin Elar, and welcome to my semester project about my online brand. I will go over my brand and how I displayed it via my digital portfolio, my LinkedIn profile, my resume, and my 2 social media sites. Starting off with my website, I have my home page where the user can get to know me a little bit. I have just a brief About Me tab over here. You can see my previous education, what I'm majoring in, my estimated graduation date, and my plans post-graduation. Additionally, I have a little bit about me here, which you'll see I focus more on in my other social media websites. Here is my resume, which can actually also be found through my personal website, a fully updated and complete copy of it, showing the jobs that I've had, the dates, education, and volunteering experience. For the first social media site that I used was Twitter. I felt that using Twitter would be beneficial to my brand because I would be able to link the Instagram, which I also use to promote my brand, and my Twitter together to share the same thing to multiple followers on different platforms at once. Additionally, I felt it was easier to retweet things and just repost things more efficiently that kind of support my brand rather than doing research and synthesizing my own materials. For example, over here I have a retweet that I quoted and added my own information with about affordable insulin. Additionally, I have some of my thoughts about sociological issues, which I focus a lot of my brand on. Things regarding privilege, affordable medicine, mental health, as you can see in this Sunday Scaries post, which is linked to my Instagram. My Instagram also promotes my brand by, first of all, listing a little bit about me, my major again, something that I'm advocating for, which is type 1 diabetes. Just a little tidbit about me. I love Diet Coke. And my career goals. I think it's important to show all aspects of yourself on social media, not just your personal goals and achievements, because employers want to see you as a well-rounded person rather than just, anybody can, not anybody can, but if you're going up against other people who have the same education background and similar experiences to you, you want to make yourself stand out based on your abilities and what makes you you. So anyway, here I have posted a few posts. This one's just kind of an introduction explaining my major and what I'm going to be posting about. As you can see, social issues, positive quotes, nature photos, and really I wanted this to become a platform where I can engage in discussion with other people and we can share our ideas and knowledge and learn from one another. Since this is still a new account and it's only 40 followers, I really haven't had much engagement, but I hope to keep it going actually. It's really nice to be able to have a space where I can professionally talk about things that are affecting the world and engage with other people. So here's another post about affordability of insulin. Kind of just a little background. Then I used some statistics that I got from beyondtype1.org. I find that Instagram is really great because you can use hashtags to connect with people who share similar beliefs or are concerned about the same topics as you. Additionally, here's a little motivation to get through the week. Something that I would like to include in my brand is, my passion for people and really how I care about the whole person and issues that affect them. Here I have that I was Narcan trained. Again, here's just a little bit about the Sunday scaries, which is anxiety that people feel on Sunday nights. Here's a little Earth Day appreciation business, featuring some videos and some posts that I've taken. Anyway, I hope that covers my brand and I'm able to project who I am as a person and in my personal and in my professional life as well. Thank you.